Very good afternoon, guys. So, guys, next type of single row function we are going to discuss here is general SRF. We are going to discuss here, guys. That is general SRF. So, in that general SRF, guys, we are going to discuss here two types of function. So, first we have something as NVL, and second one, guys, second one we have NVL2. In general SRF, we have two types of function, that is NVL and NVL2 guys. Yes. So, first guys, we'll discuss NVL2. First, we will discuss NVL2. Before that, guys, before that, I want you to write a query to fetch individual salary for all the employees. So, I want you to write a query to fetch or to display total salary total salary for the individual employee. Total salary guys of the individual employee. So here total salary means here guys total salary means salary plus commission. Even commission guys will be act as a salary guys, or you can say commission will be act as some benefit guys. But whenever we'll talk about total salary for the individual, total salary in the sense salary plus commission guys. So if you can see this table guys, so select start from EMP guys. So I want guys total salary for all the employees. So all of you guys just tell me what query we will write. I need to fetch total salary for all the employees. So yes guys, what query we have to write here to fetch the total salary? So as I told, total salary is nothing but salary plus commission. So I want to fetch guys total salary. What we will do here? Okay, fine. So select sal plus commission from EMP. So guys, if I write sal plus commission, we will not get guys exact output. So if we have guys, if we have null value, and if we try to add guys, if we try to add, we are going to get null itself. That's what I gave a point guys. That's what I gave a point. Whenever we are going to perform any operation with null, result will be null itself guys. So to overcome this problem guys, we have to make use of general SRF. We need to go for guys general SRF. Now guys, let me draw a small table first. Let me draw a small table first. So in that table guys, I'm going to divide. I'll have 3 columns. That's it. I'll have 3 columns. So first column I'll give name as first column guys, I'll say as a name. Second column guys, I'll say as a salary. And third column guys, I'll say it as a commission. Third column guys, we'll say as a commission. So whenever we want to fetch guys total salary, let me give some name guys. Let's say Dinga is the first name. Salary, let's say 500. Okay, 500 self. Commission, let's say guys, he is getting more commission, something as 1000. He is getting 1000. Next we have Dingy. Next guys, we have something as Dingy. So she's getting 5000. Commission is 0 guys. Commission is 0. Next we have Chinky. Next guys, we have something as Chinky. Salary is 10,000. Salary is 10,000 guys. commission is 500. Let's say 500. Yes. Now guys, let's take a few more columns. Something as Minky. Let's say salary is 1000. Commission is null. In the sense, I'll give a space, guys. I'll give space. So for this also, let me assume, guys, for this stinging, I'll give guys as null itself. Next, guys, let me have one more record, last record, guys, Chinky. For Chinky, I'll pass salary as 500. Commission, guys, I'll give as a 0. I'll keep as a 0. Now, if you want to find, guys, total salary, so total salary in the sense, guys, we have to add sal plus commission. But if you try to fetch, guys, total salary for first employees, yes, we will get the right output. For first employee, guys, we will get the right output. Something as 1500. 1500, guys, we will get. But if we talk about the second employee, that is dingy, guys, we will get null. We are going to get, guys, output as null. Similarly for chinky, guys, yes, we will get the right output. We'll get, guys, here right output. So output here we will get 10,500, guys. We'll get here 10,500. Now similarly, guys, if we talk about minky, okay, 10,000. If we'll talk about Minky, guys, so for Minky also we will get, guys, null value. Next we have Chinky. So for Chinky, guys, we will get total salary as 500. So yes, if we don't have null value, we are able to fetch, guys, the right salary. Sorry, if we don't have, yes, we don't have null value, we are getting, guys, right salary. For this Dinga, we got right salary, we got Chinky for me. And okay, two Chinky, guys, fine, no problem. So both the Chinky, we got the right salary. But if we have null value, you can see we are getting here null. We are getting here null. So guys, if we have null value and if we want to perform operation on null, guys, we have to make use of a method that is NVL. We have to make use of a method, guys, that is NVL, guys. So basically, the full form of NVL is null value logic. Null value logic. So basically, this method is used to overcome the problems of null. So NVL function is used to overcome the drawbacks of operations performed on null. So yes, this method has been introduced to just overcome the drawbacks of null. Now guys, let us say what we will do whenever we will use this NVL method. So let me give a syntax here. So this NVL method, guys, will accept two arguments. This NVL method, guys, will accept two arguments. So let's say argument 1 and argument 2, guys. So in argument 1, guys, we will write the name of column which has null value. In argument 1, guys, we'll write the name of columns having null value. So argument 1. So first point, guys, for this. Yeah. So first point for this, guys, in argument 1, we can write the column name which has null value. So in argument 1, guys, we are going to write the column name which has null value. Next point, if the value present in column is null, then the value in the value present in present then the value present in second argument value present in second argument will be added, will be used. That's it, will be used guys, not added. Yes. So so guys, in argument 1 we are going to pass the column name which has null value, which has null value guys. Now suppose if a column, if our argument 1, if, if in argument 1 guys, if we have null value, then whatever value we have in argument 2, it will be added, it will be added guys. But if there is some value, let's say if the value present in the value present in in column is not null, is not null, then argument 1 will be written, argument 1 value will be written, will be written. So very simple. Whenever we are going to make use of NVL function, we will have two arguments, guys. That is argument 1 and argument 2. So in argument 1, we are going to pass the column name which has null value. So if a column has null value, then automatically compiler is going to return the value present in argument 2, guys. And if in argument, if the value in column is not null, then same value of argument 1 will be returned, guys. So in argument 2 guys, in argument 2 we are going to pass the value, we are going to pass the value that has to be substituted if argument 1 has null value. That's what here we write, here we write any value which has to be substituted, which has to be substituted, yeah, substituted if the value present in argument 1 is null, if the value present in argument 1 is null, guys. So if value present in argument 1 is null, then whatever alternate value, guys, whatever value we are passing in argument 2, it will be replaced, guys, or it will be substituted. Now let us say, guys, here I want to find, here guys I want to find the total salary. Here I want to find, guys, the total salary for all the employees. So what we can do, guys, what we can do here in the sense, we can make use of NVL function. We can, guys, make use of NVL function. So what we will do to find the total salary, instead of writing sal plus commission, we are going to pass here, guys, NVL function. So inside the NVL function, what we will write? We'll write salary plus NVL. As I told in first argument, we are going to pass, guys, the column which is having null value, which is having, guys, null value. So we know commission column is having null value, guys. So if commission column is having null value, I want to substitute some value. I want to substitute some value, guys. So I'll pass here 0, because we know if we are going to add something with 0, result will remain same. But guys, you can substitute any value of your choice. But in my case, guys, since I want to find the total salary, so if there is null, I'll add 0, guys. So here for this we will get right output, no doubt at all. See, so salary plus NVL. So this, in this commission column, guys, in this commission column, value is not null. Value is not null, guys. So if value is not null, guys, then whatever value we have, it will be added. Whatever value, guys, we have, it will be added. So salary is 500 plus commission is not null, so 1000 will be added, guys. So here we will get 1500. No doubt at all, we'll get here 1500. Now guys, you can see for this dingy column, for this dingy record, we have 5000 salary, but commission is null. Commission is null, guys. If I write 5000 plus null, we'll get output as null, guys. So instead of adding null value, if we have guys null value in the first argument, we are going to add 0. So we will get guys, we will get here something as 5000 itself, guys, 5000 itself, and so on. So for this, output will remain same. For this, guys, again 1000 plus 0. We will not add null, guys. We will add 0. So 1000, and last also output will remain same, guys. So this is the use of NVL. Now we'll execute the query, guys. We'll write a query, then it will be clear, guys. So select star from EMP. Now if I'm writing select, if I'm writing guys select sal plus commission from EMP, I'm not getting the right output. So what I can do, I can make use of NVL function. Yes. So select sal plus, and I'll make use of a function that is NVL, guys. So sal plus NVL, I'll pass here commission. So now if commission is null, I'm going to replace or substitute by 0. 0 from EMP. So now guys, you can see we got here the right output. We have null value also, we got the right output, guys. So for first employee, we are getting 0. For second employee, guys, since there is no commission, we are getting 800 itself. For third employee, guys, we are getting 1900. Similarly, guys, by using null value, we can overcome the problem or drawbacks of operations performed on null, guys. Clear for everyone? Are you clear, guys? Everyone? Yes. So this is the query, guys. We are going to write. This is the query, guys. We have to write. Just let me scroll up. So you can see some background sound, guys. Fine. So guys, this is all about your NVL, null value loss. Now guys, in this case, in this case, guys, we can see we have only one column which has null value, guys. Now, if we have more than one column, if we have guys more than one column and it contains null value, then what we can do? If we have guys more than one column and both the column contains null value, so if I use guys NVL, it won't work. So we have guys updated version of NVL as NVL2, null value logic. Correct, Akash? So we'll go for NVL2. So this function guys will accept 3 arguments. This function guys is going to accept 3 arguments. So let us discuss that also. So even guys, even in our EMP table, even guys in this EMP table, you can see we have one more column. We have one more column guys which contains null value too. So here commission column and NGR contains null value. So in that case, whenever we have more than 2 column and it contains null value, we have to go for guys NVL. So now this NVL2 guys is going to accept 2 arguments. Is going to accept guys 2 arguments. So sorry, 3 argument here. NVL will accept 2 argument. NVL2 guys will accept 3 argument. So if okay, let's say in Oracle NVL2 in Oracle NVL2 function is used to is okay, let's say is an extension. First is an extension is an extension of NVL. So it is just an extension, guys, of NVL. Yes, NVL function with with difference with difference, yeah, with differ in number of arguments, with differ in number of arguments. Yes. Now, guys, so let's say this function this function will will accept accept three arguments. This function, guys, is going to accept three arguments. So let me give syntax first. So syntax NVL2 VL2 argument 1 comma argument 2 comma argument 3. So we have three arguments there. Now let me see what argument 1 and what argument 2 and all it is going to happen. What is the use of these three arguments? So in NVL2, in NVL2, in NVL2, we can pass up to three arguments. We can pass up to three arguments. If the first argument if the first argument is not null, if the first argument is not null, then the first argument is not null, then it returns the first argument is not null, then it returns second argument. It returns second argument. In the case, or let's say in the case second argument is null, then it will return third argument. So so here we are going to pass three arguments. If first argument is not null, then it will return second argument. If first argument is not null, then whatever value is present in second argument, it will be returned. Now suppose in the case second argument is null, then it will return third argument. So guys, this NVL2 we will see once we will go for DML and DDL, because in our case, guys, we have only one record. In the sense, we have only in second column, guys, we have only one record which contains null value. So let me try. If you want, guys, let's say select sal plus NVL2, sal plus NVL2. Here I'm going to pass commission. Yes, MGR, comma 0. But it won't be that perfect here. But still, guys, just to demonstrate one small example, I'm doing that. But it won't be that perfect. Once we'll go for DML DDL, we'll see again. So from EMP. So guys, just see, select star from EMP. Select a star from EMP, guys. So let's say do record. Yes. So here, guys, commission column, if it is not null, then second argument will be returned. Otherwise, if second argument is null, third argument will be returned. So we don't have any scenario like this. So this case, guys, it won't work here. So please remember this case. We'll see once we will go for DML and DDL case. So that time we'll create our own table. We'll see this. But till now, for your information, please have a clear picture what is general SRF and what are the different types of function we have. Clear, guys? We'll see again, guys, once we'll go for the different. So please take down, guys, subheading as please take down subheading as general SR type and copy down these points. If you have doubt, please ask it. If you have doubt, please ask. Otherwise, all of you copy down this. In VL2, we'll see few more examples in EML and DTL. Yes, guys, so please copy. Then we'll proceed. Yes, Sunny will do now. Done everyone? Yes, guys. Have you copied all of you? Okay, fine. So let us move on with for the last SRF, that is with conversion SRF. Yes, that is conversion SRF. So any guess guys, what is the use of conversion SRF? Yes, guys. Any guess what is the use of conversion SRF guys? Yes. Can you just tell me what is the use of conversion SRF guys? Okay. Converting the formats, yes, good. So whenever guys, yeah, conversion of data types, yes guys. But here just we are going to see converting the date format guys. Yes, converting the data format. We'll see now. So basically guys, in case of conversion SI, we have two types. Means in the sense we have many types guys. We are going to discuss two type of SRF guys. First is to date and second one is guys to can. First one is to date and second one is guys to character. So first function we are going to discuss here is to date. So and give a point guys, but before that let me explain. So to date SRF, so this function is used to convert the data string to date format. So whenever we have date in string format, and if you want to convert into date format guys, that is ddmmyy in the digits, guys, or in integer or number, then we have to go for to date. Then we have to go for guys to date. Next one we have to char. Next one is we have to char. So this function is used to convert the given date to string format. So last function guys, it converts the string to date format. If I talk about toCat, it converts the given date to string format. And even guys, it is used to format the date model according to user guide. According to user guide, we can format our date model. So till now we have discussed that in case of Oracle guys, date will be stored in the form of DEMM11. But you want to change the format. Guys. You want to store in the form of YYDEMM or MMDDYY. So by using this method guys, by using this function, that is to char, we can do this. We can change the model. So let me give a point guys, then we'll see the program, the sense queries. So here guys, basically we are going to discuss two types of conversion SRF. The first is to date, second is to character guys. So as I told, it converts the date string to date format. So what is syntax here? Nothing great guys. To date, and we are going to pass the date in string format guys. We are going to pass the date in string format. Next guys, we have something as to char. So it's going to perform the vice versa operation. This function is used to convert the given date to string format, and even guys, it is used to format the date model according to user choice. So what is syntax there? To char, and then if you want to format the date, guys, will pass the date in first argument, and what format you want, that will pass in second argument. What format you want, will pass in second argument. So this is all about your conversion SRF. Yes, you can see the disturbance of it. Yes, there is some like what is going on. You can so that. Please adjust for it. Okay, Shashikala. Yes, guys. So now if I'll pass, guys, if I write year, guys, then I'm going to get the year in string format. I'll get, guys, I'll get the Yes, I get the year, guys. Not we won't get 2020. Instead, we are going to get, guys, in the string format. If I pass 4y, I'll get, guys, year in 4 digit. In the sense, complete number, guys. Yes, we'll get the year in 4 digit. If you will pass single, in the sense we'll pass 2y, we will get, guys, only 2 digit. Last 2 digits, guys, we are going to get. If I pass month, complete month, if I pass, we are going to get, guys, complete month name. That is July, of Jan and all. But if you pass, guys, only 3 character, we will get, guys, only 3 character of the month. If you pass if you pass guys, you are going to get, guys, yes, what is the day we have, month date. If you pass a day in 3 characters, you are going to get, guys, complete day, that's Monday or Tuesday. But if you pass only dy, you will get the day in 3 digits. Similarly, for dd, if you pass dd, you are going to get, guys, the date in 2 digits. Will pass D single D, you will get date, but only 1 digit from the right hand side. So these are the format models we should know. Guys. This is the format model we should know. Yes. So first, guys, we'll see two char SRS. And upcoming classes, we'll see, guys, two date SRS. But for now, if you want to change the model of the date, we will use two char. So let me go for this now. I'll write select two char, and first argument, guys, I'm going to pass this date, system date. We know, guys, in Oracle by default format will be DTMMYY. So what I'll do, I'll write 4y. I'll write 4y, then I'll pass here month. I'll pass here month, guys. Let's say I'll pass 4y here, then I'm going to pass here, guys, month. So if I'll pass MON, I'll get 3 digits. Let's see what's going to happen. MON, and then, guys, I want this thing, so I'll pass here, let's say dy. Let's say, guys, what will happen if I pass like this. From we are getting output on destination. So you can see the time you passed, guys, 4y, we are getting in 4 digits. We are getting in 4 digits. Next, so you can see we have converted, guys, the date model there. Now we are not getting DTMMYY, we are getting YYMMDT. So even you can check by passing only 2y. So now you will get, guys, only 20. You will get only 20. Now, even, guys, if you want, you can pass a complete month into and let's see what will happen now. If you pass complete month, you are going to get a complete month. Complete month. But if you pass only 3 characters you passed last time, we are getting off. Similarly, guys, if you want a complete day, so pass there DAY. So this is the use of, guys, the 20 of this thing. Yes, guys. Now suppose if I pass year, suppose, guys, if I pass year, then what will happen? So you can see we are getting 2020 October Monday. So yes, we can use, guys, these, we can use these format models, and we can convert, guys, a format in order. Clear, guys? Any doubt in conversion SRF, right? Whatever we have discussed, is it clear for everyone? If you have doubt, guys, please let me know. So these SRF, guys, this conversion SRF, try by yourself by taking all the different possibilities. Yes, so this I'm going to leave, guys, for you people. So execute and write down the queries, and like, yeah, I'll give assignment query. I'll give assignment, guys, you have to solve. But all the possibility like this to convert and how to fetch and all, guys, you have to try by yourself. You have to try by yourself, guys. I'll give assignment there, you have to solve. So now please take down surveying as conversion SRF guys and copy down all these points. If you have doubt, please ask. If no doubt guys, copy down all these points. Yes guys, do it fast. Then we'll go for MRF guys. No, we can pass anything. We can pass here guys, anything. Oh, just a second. If that is the case, let me pass some other thing. Instead of this date, let me pass guys today's date. We'll see what is going to happen, or some other date. Let's say 15 TEC 2021. Let's see guys, if I'm passing like this, what is happening? What I'm getting guys? Yes, what I'm getting? Error guys. Yes. So basically, as I told, this do char guys is used to format. In the sense, it is used to change the format guys. So only for current date we can do. In the sense, only the sys date guys. Let me try with some other possibility. Let's say I pass 2019. So yes, it is not possible guys. Yes, it is not possible. So only the current date, sys date we can convert, we can manipulate guys. Clear now, Sahana? Yes. So if you have any doubt guys, please execute these two functions by yourself. You will get to know it. That's what I'm leaving this topic, like you have to execute by yourself. I'll give assignment. If you have doubt, we'll discuss again. Before that, please copy down these points. Still, if you have any doubt, please clear your doubts guys on WhatsApp. Done everyone have you copied guys? Yes. Have you completed guys? Okay, fine guys. So this is all about guys, all about your SRF. Again guys, I'm going to give some set of assignment only on SRF guys. You have to complete and you have to send it back. Okay, so tomorrow or today by the end, I'll share this. Fine. So next we are going to discuss here is MRF. So we know guys in MRF we have only 5 methods. In MRF guys we have only 5 methods. That is guys max, mean, average, sum, max, mean, average, sum, and count guys. So let us discuss MRF in depth guys with properties. So I hope no need to explain guys what is MRF. So it is also known as aggregate function, or if you want to define guys this type of function guys, it will take n number of input, it will process and it will return one output guys. So if you are going to pass one input, you will get one output guys. If you are going to pass 100 input, still you will get only one output guys. So first MRF guys we are going to discuss here is max. First guys we are going to discuss here is max. So I hope much explanation is not required. Basically this function is used to obtain the maximum value present in a column guys. So this function is used to obtain the maximum value present in the column is present in the column. Next, so just syntax guys, syntax. So again guys, value, sorry, we'll make use of function that is max, and we are going to pass here column name or expression, column name or expression guys. So we'll discuss the queries. Before that, let me give a explanation for all these functions. So max function guys, yes, it is going to return the maximum record present in a column. If I talk about guys min, we have next min. So similarly guys, yes, correct. So max is going to return the largest value also you can see. If I talk about min, it will return guys minimum value or the record which contains smallest value guys. That is something as your min. Next guys we have sum. So this function guys, sum function is used to obtain the summation of all the values present in the given column. Now suppose, yes, now suppose guys in a column if you have 100 of value, you have 100 records or 100 value, but you want to fetch guys, you want to fetch summation. You want to add and you want a single output guys, will go for sum. Will go for sum guys. In the sense it will return all the records or it will return all the value and it will return guys single output. In the sense it will manipulate all the value and it will return guys single value. So next we have average. So average function guys, it will add all the columns or all the records and it will return guys average. So in normal mathematics guys, you want to fetch, if you want to find the average of 10 numbers, so we will add all the 10 numbers and will divide by 10 guys. Same thing guys here also. So this average function guys is going to return the average of the records, or you can say average of the value. Next guys, so now remember for the sum and average function we can, yes, I'm not writing anything else actually, I'll project the notes. I'm explaining, then I'll project the notes. Yes, so for average and sum, guys, we can pass only the column name which contains integer or double value. For sum and average guys, we can pass only the column name which contains integer or double value. So for sum and average MRF guys, we can't pass the column name which contains string value, guys. So last function we have, that is count. Last function guys, we have something as count. So this count function is going to count the number of records present in the result table. So suppose in a result table, if we have selected 100 rows, so it will return the count, count. But remember guys, count MRF is the single MRF. For that we can pass star as an argument. Star as an argument. So whatever I explained, we'll check in the notes. Is it same or different, guys? Is it same or different? So that's what I told. Maximum value is going to return. Min, it will return minimum value. Sum, guys, it is going to give the summation. In the sense, it will add all the value and it will return, guys, single out. So syntax is also same, like very simple and same, guys. So function name, and inside that we are going to pass the column name or expression. Next we have average, guys. So average in the sense it will add all the columns and guys, and then it will return the average of the value. Yes, in simple mathematics, how we used to find the average, same thing is here. Next is count. So it is used to count the number of records present in the result table. Guys. So we have only one function. So the name of function is count, which can accept star as an argument. So for average, sum, and max and min, we can't pass guys star as an argument. But for average, but for count function, guys, we can pass star as an argument, guys. So next point, whatever I told, for average and sum function, we can pass only those column which contains number data type. So number in the sense, guys, integer or now coming about MRF, guys, we have to remember, guys, few points. So all the MRF, guys, for MRF we can pass only one argument. So for all the MRF function we can pass, guys, only one argument. More than one argument, it is not possible. Next point, guys, MRF will ignore all the null values. So MRF, guys, it is going to ignore all the null. Now suppose if you are going to add, guys, the column something as 500, second column contains null value, next is 1000, guys. So here we will get output as 1500 only. If we have any null value, that null value, guys, will be ignored. So in case of MRF, if we are going to perform any null value operation, then that null value, guys, will be ignored. Next, we cannot pass, guys, MRF in where clause. Next point, guys, MRF function, it is not possible, like we can't pass in where clause. MRF function, guys, we can't pass in where clause. Clear or any doubt, guys? So next we have to discuss the query, guys. So these are the 5 MRF function. We'll discuss the we'll solve queries, then it will be more clear, guys. You will get a more clear picture. But remember, guys, all the points I gave and these notes especially, that for MRF function we can pass single argument. First point, MRF is going to ignore all the null value. Second point, MRF function cannot be passed in where clause, guys. So remember these points, then we'll go for, guys, happily we can go for queries. We'll solve the queries, guys. So first copy down. If you have any doubt, please clear your doubts, guys. Then we'll go for queries. Yes, guys, please start copying now. So whatever is not that important, guys, whatever is easy, I'm going little fast. So I hope you won't mind for this MRF, guys. Like for the definition part, I'm going a little fast, guys. Yes, guys. So please copy down. If you have doubt, please ask. Once you are done, guys, let me know. Yes, guys, all of you had copied. Have you copied, guys, everyone? Okay. Okay. If you have not copied, guys, take some more time and complete it fast. Yes, yes. Take some more time and complete it fast. So we'll solve some queries, guys. Then it will be clear. Yes. So first query, guys. First query. Write a query to display. Write a query to display maximum salary, comma minimum salary. Now, guys, you have to fix the maximum salary, minimum salary, and total salary needed to pay needed needed to pay for the needed to pay for all the employees for all the employees. So yes, guys, I want maximum salary, minimum salary, total salary that is needed to pay for all the employees. Yes. So guys, all of you, yes, good. This is very simple, guys. So we are going to make use of a function here. So select maximum salary, guys. So max of sal, then minimum salary, guys. So min of sal, total salary, guys. So I'll pass here sum of sal. Now this total salary I need to print, guys, that salary needed to pay for all the employees. So if you want, we can perform aliasing, guys. Salary needed to pay for all the employees. If you want perform aliasing without aliasing also, guys, it's not wrong, it's correct. Don't worry. Then from EMP, guys. So yes, this is the first query, guys, we have discussed here. Okay, so identifier is too long. So guys, for aliasing, remember guys, even we can't give that long, guys. We can't give that long. So salary needed to pay. That's it. So if you'll give 4 5 string, guys, yes, it will work. But if you'll give more than 5, guys, sometimes or it will not work, guys. That's what I got. Identifiers is too long. Remember that also, guys. Fine. So next query, guys, let us discuss the next query. I'll give guys few set of query, solve and let me know the answer, guys, one by one. So I'm typing, guys. Meanwhile, even if people copy down in your notebook. Yes, guys. Meanwhile, even if people copy down. Okay, so please copy down all the queries one by one. Yes, and then guys, we'll solve few of them, guys. Remaining you have to try by yourself. Remaining guys, you have to try by yourself. So first copy down all the queries. Once you have done, guys, once you are done, let me know, guys. Okay, good, guys. Many of you have solved this query. Very good. Shishma, Mansa, Stella, good, guys. Good. Yeah, keep going, guys. No, now you have to solve, Mansa. Now itself we will discuss few of them. Done. All the queries. Very good, Akash. Fine, guys. Then let us start with the second query we'll discuss here. So write a query to display number of employees getting salary less than 2000 in department 20 and 30. So select number of employees. So I'll use count of star. Then getting salary less than 2000. So from EMP where sal is less than 2000, sal is less than 2000, and they are working in department number 10 and 20. So and department number in 10 comma 20. So yes, this is the query, guys. We have to write. Spelling of from is wrong. Yes. Let me execute. We'll see we are getting the output or not. Yes. Let me verify, guys. Do we have really 3 employees or not? Yes. So department 10 and 30 getting salary less than 2000. So yes, one employee, guys. Yes, one employee. Then. Yes. This is the second employee, guys. Department number 10. And yes, this is the third employee, guys. So 2 employees we have from department 20 and 1 employee from department, yeah, from 10, guys. So yes, we got the right output here, guys. So this is the right query. We have to, this is the right query, guys. Now guys, go for this query. Write a query to display number of employees working as clerk. All of you guys, yeah, good. Yes. So select count of star from EMP where job is equals to clerk, guys. Easy, no? It's very easy, right? People can do it easily, right? So we have 4 employees. So yes, we know, guys, we have 4 clerks present in our EMP table. So guys, easy or tougher? Easy, right? What about others, guys? I'm getting answer from Akash. What about others? Are you facing any difficulty, guys? Yes, all of you have. Okay, good. Okay. So guys, I hope all of you had copied. So try all the queries, guys. Try all the queries by yourself. Okay, we'll discuss the last query, guys. We'll discuss one more query, that is last query, guys. So write a query display number of employees and total salary needed to pay for the employees who have consecutive 2L in their email. Yes, guys. So go for try, guys. Last query now. Just all of you guys try the last query. Okay, select count of star. number of employees, total salary. So sum of sal from EMP where, so guys, here you are going to make use of like operator. Correct, Naveen. So let me write the same query, guys. So select count of star. Then guys, we have to find what? Total salary. So sum of sal from EMP where ename like, yes, ename like guys, and we are going to pass percentile LL percentile because we don't know guys at which position consecutive L we have. So we'll surround by percentile starting as plus and tables. So let me execute. So yes guys, we have two employees. So you can see we have Miller. Miller is the one, Allen is the second guys. We have only two employees. So you can see for Allen, okay, we have to find the average salary also guys. In some of the salary, not the average salary. So let's see for Allen, we have a salary guys, 1,600. For Miller, we have 1,300 guys. So here we got the count as 2 and the total salary as 2,900 guys. So whatever query we wrote, we got the exact output. So remaining all the queries guys, try by yourself. Try by yourself guys. Fine. So if you have any doubt guys, let me know. Even I'll give assignment guys once after the completion of tomorrow's class. Not now guys because I'll take 4 or 5 topics, then I'll give assignment. Clear everyone? No doubt guys? Yes. So we'll stop guys here itself today. We'll have guys, yeah. So no doubt guys, cool, very good. So guys, we'll stop here itself. Tomorrow we'll continue guys with group by clause, having clause. We'll see group by clause and having clause guys. We'll do postmortem like anything. So after tomorrow guys, that is from Wednesday, we'll start with subquery. So till tomorrow guys, whatever portion I'm doing, prepare for your mock guys. You will have definitely guys, you will have a mock on Saturday guys, sorry. You will have a mock on Saturday. So till having clause guys, whatever I'll complete till tomorrow, you will have a mock. So please study properly. If you are facing any difficulty, if you have any doubt guys, let me know. So we'll end the session here itself. If you have doubt guys, please let me know so that we can clear guys. Fine. So thank you everyone guys. We'll end the session here itself. Bye bye guys. Take care.